absolutely stunning shoulder length bob hairstyle. I love the color and the cut combination. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone with hair just past their shoulders. Stylist kind of trims the hair. Oh, it looks like she went darker with more of like a black hue and got a nice classic shoulder length bob style. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have someone with mid-length curly hair. Looks like she's getting a perm of some sort. Wow, a beautiful shoulder length bob yet again. This looks absolutely stunning. Nice, simple, and classic style. And here we have yet another gorgeous shoulder length bob. Looks like she got some ombre hair coloring going there. Very nice. And as you guys know, ombre will be making a comeback for this fall season. Nice way to switch up your color. Next up, we see someone with hair just past their shoulders. Looks like she gets a nice color refresh along with the haircut. Wow. beautiful volumized bob style. This is so chic and polished. I love it. And I love her copper colored hair. This is just absolutely stunning. Then we have someone else getting the copper colored hair trend. So she starts off a blonde and mixes things up with this light copper shade. Very pretty, and I really like the way that this color looks against her complexion. Then we move on to someone who has long waist length hair. It looks like she added some curtain bangs to her long strands. Now this is a nice simple hair change, a little slight way you can change up your style without doing anything too drastic. And then we have a color change for the next transformation. Followed by this pixie style. And she decides to switch things up by adding some, say, shaven sides. Very nice. And then we see someone with a bob. Looks like she's getting some color added. And a nice trimming of her bob. Beautifully done. This is more of that mini bob trend that we've been seeing floating around. This is gorgeous. Absolutely stunning makeover. Ooh, and a little bit of a slight money piece highlight going there towards the bangs. Very subtle and chic. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.